Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get your Roblox voice chat after being suspended. So, first thing you'll have to do is go to voice.roblox.com/v1/settings, pause the video and get this link right here, log in with your browser and go to Roblox basically. So, you will see this right here. So, as you can see is voice enabled false. So, you will see that right here, which is going to be something like this. I've copied it for you guys. The next thing you'll have to do is head to your Unix timestamp right here and then copy the value of the second right here. So once you have done that, you will have to copy and paste it right here in your band until, so mine is null, so I am not actually banned. So when it's already done, you can actually just copy it and paste it right here, and there you go. It's just that simple. So you can get it back in no time using this right here. So there you go guys, that is how you get your Roblox voice chat back after being suspended.